Meet James. James is an architecture, engineering or construction professional and is looking for a new job. James visits job board websites and applies to a few positions. A week passes and James hasn't received any response. James decides to contact a few recruiters, but finds that their lack of technical understanding for his profession leads to confusion about what he's looking for in his next job. James also finds that they do not have access to the companies that he is most interested in. Then he speaks to his friend Steve. Steve refers James to Ivory Group, an architecture, engineering and construction specialist recruitment company. Ivory Group consults with James in a personalised and professional manner, and James finds that Ivory Group understands the technical aspects of his profession. They offer James advice on his salary expectations based on their specialist knowledge of the architecture, engineering and construction industry, and discuss his availability, career aspirations and desired working environment. Shortly after their meeting, Ivory Group arranges interviews for James with some companies that fit James's criteria. James is pleased with Ivory Group as he learns that these positions were not open to the public and did not find out about these positions from the generalist recruiters previously. James attends these interviews and meets directly with the decision makers in each company, and finds that Ivory Group takes control of exchanging interview feedback. After exchanging interview feedback, an offer of employment is made from one of the employers. Ivory Group handles the negotiation process for James and is able to attain for James a salary package that he is delighted to accept. James is happy with Ivory Group's service as he finds that Ivory Group understand his technical and personal requirements and are able to better match him to positions as they specialise in architecture, engineering and construction, are able to advise and take control of negotiating a good salary package based on their specialist knowledge of market benchmarks, have strong relationships with relevant employers and can present him with more opportunities, including those that are not made public. Take thorough control of the employment process, reducing the stress and time involved in finding a new job. For all your recruitment needs, please call Ivory Group at our relevant office, www.ivorygroup.com.au.